Hey everyone, and welcome back. Wondering what apps you can actually use for free in the Bitrix24 marketplace? In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the most useful free integrations. First, go to your Bitrix24 menu and find Marketplace. Click on it, and then use the filter to show only free applications. Here, you'll find some powerful connectors. You can integrate with Google Drive and Dropbox to manage your cloud files directly inside Bitrix24.4 communication. You'll find free apps for Zoom and Google Meet to easily start video calls from your calendar or chats. There are also free connectors for major social media platforms like Facebook lead ads, which can automatically create a new CRM lead whenever someone submits a form on your page. You'll find various free CRM form widgets to embed on your website, and even a free e-signature app to send documents for signing. Just click install on any of them and follow the steps to connect your account, and that's it. These free apps can seriously boost your productivity without adding any extra cost. If you find a great free app in the marketplace, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.